cramped room, fever burning in his cheeks. Mira watches over him, her worry etched deep into her expression. "Toma, just be patient, I'll get something for you," Mira whispers. Mira walks barefoot through the dark, empty streets. Her distress is palpable. Her voice cracks as she whispers, "I haven't eaten anything for 2 days. God have mercy." In the shadowed alleyway, illuminated by a distant glow, a desperate figure rushes towards the flickering embers of a trash bin. Driven by hunger, she rummages through the refuse, smoke stinging her nostrils as she seeks sustenance. Her fingers brush against discarded containers until she finds a half-burnt piece of bread. "This? A half-burnt piece of bread? Is this all there is?" she whispers, her voice filled with despair. In the dimly lit room, Mira silently extends the burnt bread to Toma. Toma looks at Mira, asking, "Did you eat?" Mira responds quietly, hiding her own hunger. "Yes, you just eat." Morning light struggles through the grimy window as I awaken. Beside me, Mira lies still, her hand clutching the last piece of bread. Her eyes are forever closed. In complete darkness, a lone voice echoes, heavy with sorrow. Hunger doesn't just break the body, it breaks the heart too.